So hey guys, welcome back to another video, another latest and greatest good video, good vibe video. So today I can share you another useful airdrops. How can you earn some tokens, earn some free tokens by completing tasks, completing swap tasks, etc. So this December month you can use this airdrops. For the first airdrop is StableSwipe. Okay, StableSwipe. What is StableSwipe? StableSwipe is a stablecoin forced decentralized exchange built on stable and EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain that uses USDT as its native gas token. The platform specializes in zero slippery swaps between stable assets like USDT and USDT 0, offering instant settlement and a seamless trading experience for both retail and institutional users. So this is a high valuable this airdrop because this is sleeper is very low. Stable swaps cover value provision centers on eliminating slippage for stablecoin trade while maintaining efficient liquidity management. Users pay transaction fees directly in USDT, removing the need for volatile gas tokens and simplifying the trading experience for those primarily working with stable assets. Stable swipe airdrop details. StableSwipe has confirmed an airdrop allocation 7% of the total STA token supply to the community, with an additional 65% reserved for liquidity. 65% for reserved for liquidity mining rewards. You can watch this. You can just watch this 65% of reserved liquidity mining rewards. Okay, has maximum supply of 1 billion tokens with pre-sale and token generation event (TZE) details to be announced. Okay, there are maximum supplies 1 billion, so not so bad. It's good, not bad. And early users who bridge assets, perform swaps, provide liquidity, and engage with the community through Discord and content creation will qualify for the airdrop. The platform also operates a points-based leaderboard system where Discord participation and social media content creation contribute to higher ranking and confirmed reward allocation. Okay, how to participate in this stablecoin airdrop? Step 1: accrue USDT, purchase USDT from Binance and withdraw via Ethereum mainnet to your wallet to participate in stable swap activities. Alternatively, use Rhino to bridge USDT from Ethereum mainnet to stable. Step 2: bridge USDT to stablecoin. Step 3: perform stablecoin swaps. Navigate to StableSwipe and connect your wallet. Swipe from USD 0 for WZUSDT. Enter your amount and execute the zero slipper swipe. In step 4, provide liquidity. Okay, you can provide liquidity in step 4. Split your funds equally between USDT 0 and WZUSDT. Then go to the liquidity page, add liquidity to the USDT 0 WZUSDT stable swap full to earn trading fees and a share of 65% token allocation. Not bad. This is 65% token with a huge amount of token allocation to liquidity mining. Higher liquidity provision typically cortex with larger reward distribution. Also stake your liquidity tokens. Step 5: buy and lock STA option. Swipe USDT 0 for some STA tokens and go to the lock page. Click on create lock, then lock STA tokens to gain greater voting power and earn higher rewards. Step 4: join Discord. This is a mandatory. Join the stable Discord server and complete the Discord connection on the leaderboard page. Then engage in community discussion, help others members, and participate in event to earn points towards to leaderboard ranking system. Step 4 is create content. Produce content about StableSwipe on X, Twitter, including posts, threads, etc. Here are how many points that can be earned from each contact long term or long form article by Medium Mirror page 25 points per approval article. YouTube videos 25 points, X video from thread 10 points, memes 10 points per memes. Early contributors is 30 points, super contribution 100 points, and OZ to 100 points, confirmed token allocation 8000 STA. So tips for maximize your StableSwipe airdrop. Bridge early. First time bridge receive 1 GUSDT gas bonus, making initial transaction easily free. And regular activity, constant swap and liquidity provision demonstrate sustained platform engagement rather than one time farming, only one time farming. Diversity tracks content quality and monitor leaderboard, track your Discord rank, and adjust participation strategy to maintain competitive positions. Frequently asked question. Okay. You can check this. Check this. Full. You can check this, and of course you join this. There is website link. You can link and their Twitter, Discord, blog, chat. You can find here. So you can just go to Chrome and search this section, and you can go to this page. And also I can create a QR code. You can scan this QR code and find this page. Absolutely, of course, join this airdrop. This is a huge amount of airdrop. You can earning a big profitable airdrop. So I hope you can earn a big stable coin. This is not meme coins. This is a stable coin like USDT. Okay, so no one can miss this airdrop. Absolutely, as soon as you possible, go to this page and of course read full terms and join this airdrop must. This is the biggest opportunity for you. Of course, join this.